Hands-on reading, a fun and interactive approach to learning English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting and practical way to enhance your English skills through hands-on reading. This method is not just about reading words on a page. It's about engaging with the material in a dynamic and interactive way. Let's get started and discover how hands-on reading can transform your learning experience. Hands-on reading involves actively engaging with the text you are reading. It's about more than just reading the words. It's about interacting with the content. This can include underlining or highlighting key phrases, making notes in the margins, summarizing passages in your own words, or even acting out dialogues if you're reading a play or novel with characters. This approach helps to deepen your understanding of the material and makes learning more enjoyable and effective. Engaging in hands-on reading offers numerous benefits. 1. Improves comprehension. Active engagement helps you better understand and remember what you read. 2. Enhances vocabulary. Interacting with new words in context aids in vocabulary acquisition. 3. Builds critical thinking skills. Analyzing and questioning the text develops critical thinking abilities. 4. Boosts retention. The interactive nature of hands-on reading aids in long-term retention of information. Here are some practical tips to get the most out of hands-on reading. Highlight or underline key points. Identify and emphasize important concepts or vocabulary. Write marginal notes. Jot down questions, comments, or summaries in the margins. Create mind maps. Visually map out ideas or connections within the text. Discuss with others. Share insights and discuss the material with peers or teachers. Reflect regularly. Take time to reflect on what you've read and how it applies to your learning goals. Hands-on reading is a fantastic way to make your English learning journey more effective and enjoyable. By actively engaging with the text, you enhance your comprehension, vocabulary, and critical thinking skills. Remember, the key is to interact with the material in a way that works best for you. We hope you find these tips helpful and start incorporating hands-on reading into your study routine. Happy reading and learning!